Hello, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to add a footnote and endnote in Word. Here's an overview of what this video will cover. It includes everything you need to know about how to insert, customize, and remove footnotes and endnotes in Word, along with footnote versus endnote, the conversion between footnotes to endnotes, and answers to common questions. Insert footnotes and endnotes in Word. First, position the cursor where you want to reference a footnote or endnote. Go to the References tab. In the Footnotes group, select Insert Footnote or Insert Endnote. Here I choose the Insert Footnote. Enter what you want in the footnote or endnote. You can see a footnote is created. To return to editing in the document, double-click the footnote or endnote number will take you directly to the superscript number inserted in your document. Customize footnotes and endnotes in Word. First, go to the References tab. Click on the Footnotes group dialog box launcher. In the Footnote and Endnote dialog box, adjust the options the way you want. In the Location section, select either the Footnotes or Endnotes option. Click the Location list arrow to choose where the footnotes and endnotes appear. In the Footnote Layout section, click the Columns list arrow to select the number of columns. In the Format section, you can choose the number format you want, or a custom symbol. You can also select a starting number for your footnotes or endnotes. And you can choose how the numbering should proceed. In the Apply Changes section, click the Apply Change to List arrow to choose the affected area. In this case, I selected a different format for my footnotes, and then I choose to apply changes to the whole document. Click the Apply button. You'll notice that the footnotes throughout the entire document have been changed to a different number format. Remove footnotes and endnotes in Word. Delete a footnote or endnote. Simply highlight the superscript number in the document text. Press the Delete key to delete this footnote or endnote. You can see this specific footnote or endnote are deleted, along with the superscript number in the document. And the numbers of the other footnotes or endnotes will be renumbered automatically. Delete all footnotes or endnotes. Method 1. Remove all footnotes or endnotes, using the Find and Replace feature. Press Ctrl+H to open the Find and Replace dialog box. Go to the Replace tab of the dialog. In the Find What box, enter $F for finding footnotes, or $E for finding endnotes. Here I enter $F to find footnotes. Then make sure the Replace With box is blank. Finally, click the Replace All button. Click OK, and close the dialog. All footnotes are removed from your document. Method 2. One click to remove all footnotes or endnotes, using Tools for Word. Tools for Word provides a one-click solution to eliminate all footnotes or endnotes. Note: to apply our Remove Footnotes feature or the Remove Endnotes feature, firstly, you should download and install Tools for Word. Go to the Tools tab and select Remove. Click Remove Footnotes or Remove Endnotes. Here I clicked Remove Footnotes. In the popping up dialog, click Yes. All footnotes or endnotes are deleted instantly. Footnote versus endnote. Here are the similarities of footnotes and endnotes. And these are the differences between footnotes and endnotes. Convert footnotes to endnotes in Word. Convert a footnote to an endnote or vice versa. Right-click on the footnote text and select Convert to Endnote. Or right-click on the endnote text and choose Convert to Footnote. In this case, I right-click on a footnote text and select Convert to Endnote. Convert all footnotes to endnotes, or vice versa. Go to the References tab. Then click on the Footnotes Group dialog box launcher. In the Footnote and Endnote dialog box, click the Convert button in the Location section. In the Convert Notes dialog box, choose one option from the 3 options provided. Here I chose the Convert all footnotes to endnotes option. Click OK. Close the dialog box. You can see all footnotes are converted to endnotes. Common QA for footnotes and endnotes in Word. Question 1. Why did my footnote go to the next page in Word? Question 2. How do I insert more information into a footnote that already exists? Question 3. How do I get my footnotes to restart at 1 with every new chapter?
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update.